The blue-winged leafbird, Chloropsis moluccensis, often locally associated with its close relative Jerdon's leafbird in the Indian subcontinent, is a vibrant, medium-sized forest dweller. It is found in woodlands, forest edges, and well-wooded areas across Sri Lanka. Features a bright green body, a yellow-tinged head, a black mask/throat, and a striking cobalt-blue moustachial stripe, primarily green all over with a bright yellow-green head and a soft blue throat smudge. Both sexes have vivid, turquoise-blue highlights on the outer flight feathers and tail, which distinguishes them from other leafbird species. They favor the canopies and edges of broadleaf evergreen and mixed deciduous forests, from the lowlands up to sub-montane elevations. They are omnivorous, foraging in the middle and upper canopies for fruits, nectar, and arthropods. They frequently extract prey acrobatically from foliage. They are highly active, usually seen in pairs or moving with mixed species foraging flocks. You are much more likely to hear this bird than see it, as its bright green plumage acts as excellent camouflage in the canopy. Their songs are a rich, musical blend of whistles and warbles. They are exceptionally gifted mimics and are known to weave the calls of various other bird species into their own song. You can often listen for their repetitive, strident weet 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 or a sweet, descending wee weep. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.